In this video, we're going to finish off these C-pillar covers, the vinyl on those, and get them sorted, and then maybe look at the rear window, or at least the rear window seal as well. So in order to get those C-pillar covers on, I've started having to play around with these quarter panel windows of fitting the seal around it. So the first thing you need to do is make sure the rubber seal fits on okay, and then the actual cardboard with the vinyl cover needs to go underneath that seal. And if you look at the rubber, the actual part it needs to fit under is very small. So I've done a test fit with that piece. The cardboard backing is in that corner there, so I'll just take you to the bench. So I was pretty lucky enough to actually get the original pieces of backing. So that's the right hand side, that goes up. I still purchased new ones, and the reason why I got new ones, you could possibly reuse these if you wanted to, but the cardboard just isn't right with those. It's a bit warped, it's got wet at some point. So the actual thickness, these are slightly thicker. So I've done a test fit with the rubber, it fits on okay. I'm just worried that when I add the vinyl it's going to make it too thick, but I'll press ahead and just try it anyway. The other thing too, these I got from Minisport Australia. I had to just trim it a little bit because they weren't fitting quite how I wanted them to. I don't know if it's because these are supplied for Mark 1 and Mark 2. That could be the issue, and then I don't know. So I've trimmed it a little bit just so it's a bit closer to this, and also now when it's on the actual C-pillar, it fits nicely with the body of the car. Even when you put a bit of curve into it, it fits nicely. These actually are like a cardboard type material. The good thing about these is that it bends evenly. It's not like a cardboard box. The way a cardboard box would bend, it'll just find fault lines in it and just bend on those. Where these, it bends in a nice even curve. So that piece will get covered in a bit of vinyl. Does it go that way? Does it go that way? No, I think it goes that way. So that'll get covered in vinyl, glued down, do the edges, and then we'll fit that in. So just over to these windows. So the Australian Minis, these actual windows have got these little latches on. I don't know whether the Austin Coopers had those or the English Morris Coopers, but that allows a window to open up just slightly. So they're hinged over here. So you screw the window and the hinge on first, open it up, and then fit the rubber to the edge of it. Alright, so let's get started with some of the gluing. Alright, just a quick video to finish up. So those windows are sitting in there nicely now. And the way they open up, so just from the inside, you open it up sort of like that, just to let a bit of airflow through. That's great. I'll just put the seal back on here as well, just to hold those bits of cardboard or the vinyl coated cardboard in place. We just grab the light just so you can see things a bit better. Okay, so just have a look how I just need to wipe it down a bit. It's a bit dirty up there, just dust and stuff has got on there, but it's actually looking okay. And the other side too, looking great. Alright, so the next job I'll probably fit in the rear window, but no rush for doing that. Alright, I'll leave it there. Next video I'll sort of go over the doors. I've already recorded some of this. There's a few parts I'm still waiting on, so I'll do a video of how to actually put the doors together. I'll leave that for now. Alright, so thanks for watching my videos.